Okay, guys, we all ready? So we're not just leaving those hanging. I'm just going to promise you we're coming back to your stage ones. But what we want to do next is to give you guys a chance to do some analyzing of other stage ones using a rubric so that you can then go and revise your stage one after you've had the experience of taking a look at some ones that are already done. So in Edmodo, you guys will see a few links Bob has posted in Edmodo to, let me see what he called them. Yeah, so you'll see it'll say scarcity unit, example 1, scarcity example 3, and then if you click on where it says show one more attachment, it'll say scarcity example 2. Okay, so what we're going to ask you to do with a shoulder partner, so you're going to do this in pairs for the next about 10, 15 minutes. We'll do a check and see how far we are in 15 minutes. We want you to use the rubrics that we passed out earlier to evaluate each of those stage ones in those unit plans that are posted. So you're going to do 3 separate evaluations. If you want 3 separate rubrics, we have tons of copies. I'll bring more around. 3 separate evaluations of those plans. And what I want you guys ultimately to think about as you compare and contrast them using the rubric, which one of these 3 is the most recent one? So Jamie was generous enough to loan us her journey through backward planning since last spring until now. So we're going to have you evaluate each one on the rubric. One of them is very recent, right? Has more of kind of like the ultimate bigger picture of what we're looking for. One was when she was first starting out with this process. So with a partner, we want you guys to evaluate each of those plans using the stage 1 rubric and then figure out which of those 3 is the most recent. Okay, we're going to give you about 10, 15 minutes. We'll do a check back and see how things are going. Can you do one more? I can do it. That was my bad. If you guys aren't finding them, we'll walk around tables and make sure everybody knows they're in Edmodo, listed as the scarcity units 1, 2, and 3.